Hey friend, how are you? I hope you're doing well. My name is Afi. If this is your first time tuning in, I love helping women develop a personal style that promotes their social and public image. And how do we do that? By doing hair reviews, hair tutorials, fashion hauls, fashion trial. Wait, that's the same thing. Fashion tips, and the list goes on. And I also vlog. So if you love those type of content, hopefully we have you here forever and I become your favorite person to watch and we become best friends, like right here. Yeah, I'm doing that with no fingernails. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful wig that I have on my head. Listen, I came across this wig at the beauty supply store and I was like, girl, the girl needs to know. Okay, the girls need to know. We need to look good every day. The girls need to know. So this wig is brought to you by Outre. It is their perfect hairline, full hand tied 13x4 lace wig, and it looks like this. I must say, this wig is by far the best affordable wig. I'm not sure if $50 is affordable for you. I think it was $49.99, but if it's affordable to you, it's affordable. It's $50. I remember $50 was a lot for me, but it's affordable enough for what it is giving. $50 for what it's giving. I highly recommend you to give it a try. The product features is the front of the head. We have the front of the hair, which is kind of like a nice little scalp vibe, so you don't have to wear the nude cap in order for you to give yourself that scalp looking, because it actually comes with it connected to the wig. And then you have the side of the hair, which is the natural contour realistic hairline. It has no customization required. You don't have to comb or secure or anything, which I feel like I've messed up on the side right here because I don't glue my stuff down. But yeah, if you can tell, it's like right here it's a bit lifted a bit. So we make it do what it do, baby. But yeah, this is how it looks like. You don't have to worry about, cutting it in a way where it won't sit on your head. I cut it however way and it still sit on my head. Sometimes when I do have wigs, I kind of worry because I do have small ears and I don't have a 4-head. I have a 3-head. So when I do cut my wigs, I get to that point where like right here it becomes a bit too much. So I have to like cut it up to like right here so I can set it down on my hairline. But with this one, I didn't have to do that because it fits perfectly. Like I didn't have to do that, which is actually pretty dope. And then you have the back, which actually came with a hair band. I don't want to take this off, it's just so nice. It came with a hair band. So I'm gonna place how it looks on the screen because I don't want to take this one off, it's too cute. It came with a headband, so if you like headband, it came with it, and it also comes with a comb. I like to cut the comb off because I feel like it adds too much pressure to my head. But if you like the comb, to each his own, you can definitely keep it on. But I actually love how secure it is with the little headband attached to it and not just the straps. With the hairline came pre-plucked. I was actually amazed because I am horrible at plucking my hairline. And for this to be one of those wigs that you don't have to stress out about plucking the hairline to make it look realistic, this was it for me. And it also came with one of those lines where it tells you where to pluck it. I mean, I was able to see it, but if you have issues seeing it, you won't have any problems plucking the hairline because it does like tell you, like it gives like a shape on how you should pluck the hair, not pluck it, but cut the hairline. And it came with baby hair included. Like I said before, I'm terrible at plucking my hairline. I'm also terrible at making baby hair pop. When I did cut this lace, I did cut off the baby hair, which was by my mistake. So next time when we do purchase this hair, we're definitely going to keep the baby hair. And I'm going to show you how the baby hair actually looks like. It actually looked really well. You do have to like customize it to your own liking as far as like baby hair. But as for me, even though I did cut the baby hair by mistake because I'm terrible at that part of the wig customization, I was able to make my own baby hair and it still looked kind of nice in my opinion. It came out pretty nice in my opinion. Yeah, so like even if you do mess up, you're able to get the wig back to life. This wig right here, I added gel because I was trying to like lay it down for my mother, and it looks a bit greasy a little bit, but once you wash it, I'm sure it's gonna look pretty well. I will recommend you to wash your wigs with vinegar, apple cider vinegar, before you apply it on. I did do a video on how you do that. I recommend everyone to do that with every hair that they get, whether it's a synthetic, braiding hair, whatever hair, those faux locks. Put it inside of apple cider vinegar first before you apply it on your head, because when you do that, you're getting rid of those extra chemicals that the company, that it goes through. Okay, you get rid of the extra chemicals, and it keeps your head from itching, your scalp from itching, and it keeps you from getting irritated by whatever is in the wig. As far as the wig, I love it. I really do. It's ear to ear, and it's also HD transparent. I don't know how to make a wig melt, like the lace melt, just yet, but my sister does. And I tell you, if you know how to make your lace melt, this wig will look very realistic on your head. And yeah, it's very nice. I like it. And it says you can heat style it, so you can also put it in heat, safe up to 400 degrees, heat resistant fiber. I normally don't do these type of testers, because I feel like if you have those really strong hair straighteners, you will destroy your wigs. But I do like to wash my wigs, and I feel like when you wash your wigs, it does give it that, it comes back to life, and it's amazing looking. So what are the pros about this wig? I absolutely love that you can part it however way you want to part it. Like, there are days where if I want to wear a middle part, I can wear a middle part. All I have to do is just like flatten the top. Or if I want to wear this on the right side, I can wear it on the right side. All I have to do is just flatten it out. Or if I want to do like the half up, half down vibe, I can do that. And I absolutely love that it gives you all kinds of options. Like, for you to get those type of options when it comes to wigs, like actual really good wigs, you have to buy the one that's like very human hair. You know what I'm talking about, like the actual human hair lace front. And with this, I was able to do it however way I want without it feeling synthetic-y, without it feeling tangle-ish-y. As far as like the most important question, does it tingle? How well does it shed? Every synthetic wig sheds. Every hair tangles. But when it comes to the tangle, it all depends on the length of your hair. That's something that I've noticed as far as like me when it comes to wearing wigs. The longer your hair, the more problems you have with tangles. The shorter your hair, the less problem you have with tangles. I think this is like a good 14-20 inch. I think this is a good 14-20. This is, yeah, it doesn't say. It doesn't say the length of this hair, but I want to say this is a good 14 inch. Yeah, it's a good 14 inch. And yes, I did experience seeing the shedding. When you do brush it out, you do get a little bit of the shed. So that itself is not surprising for me. I don't put that much expectation. But I don't put a lot of expectations when it comes to the shedding or the tangling. I know synthetic hair, you're going to experience shedding. Synthetic hair, you're going to experience tangles. You're going to experience a lot of things that you wish you didn't experience with synthetic hair, because it is synthetic hair. But yeah, as far as like, if you need something to just grab and go for work, you don't want to spend too much money on a wig, I really would recommend you to check out this entire brand right here, the Perfect Hairline. They come in different style. They have the curly, they have the straight, they have this one, which is like one of those like curled up, wind, loose curl type of style. I like it. I am going to test out their other style that they also have. Yeah, it's really nice. And if you're new to applying wigs, they tell you how to apply the wigs in the back. So yeah, so you won't miss. Or you can watch a YouTube video. Just don't come to me, because I be cutting my lace however way I know how. But yeah, overall I would give it a good 8.5. I like it. I'm definitely going to be purchasing this hair if I don't feel like purchasing something that, that's over $100 some. I would definitely recommend you to give it a try. If you don't like to spend that much money on hair, you don't really, it's not a need for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review just as much as I enjoyed filming it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will be back with more wig reviews. Let me know what brands you would like for me to try, or if you see a wig that you're like, sis, I want to try it out, but I don't know if I should, send it to me. I got you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.